Hello, Congressman Pete Sessions from Waco, Texas. Today is a celebration, August the 14th, 2025, from back in 1947 when the Pakistani Independence Day was first begun and celebrated. To my friends that are in the Pakistani community, congratulations. A day in which you can remember once again your contribution to the United States of America on behalf of your heritage. I want to say thank you for the contributions that you have given to the United States of America. Not just science and mathematics and not just hard work, but people of good faith who have come to the United States to pledge themselves to the future of not just America, but your country also, to forge that continued relationship and reliance upon each other. Thank you so much for your celebration. Thank you so much for your contribution. I look forward to working with you during the year. God be with you.